Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to enable SSH or jailed shell for an existing cPanel account. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. First of all, you will have to log into your WHM panel. Here we have used our demo account to show you how to log into the WHM panel. Enter the username and password in their respective fields and click on the Login button. Congratulations, you are successfully logged into your WHM panel. Go to the search box located on the upper left side of the screen and type account functions on it. Once you type on it, you will get account functions option below the search box. Select the option Manage Shell Access just below of Manage Demo Mode and click on it. By clicking on it, Manage Shell Access window will be opened. Select the username on which you wish to enable SSH. If you have more than 50 cPanel accounts in the WHM panel, then you can search it by entering its username in the search field. Here we have selected Demo VPS Test User as a demo. Select the type of SSH access you want to enable for your cPanel account, either normal shell or jailed shell. Let's see the difference between jailed shell and normal shell. Jailed shell doesn't allow users to view the files and content of other users. It means that you can't see the files and folders of other users. Normal shell will allow users to access all files. In normal shell, you can see and access the files and folders of other users. Let's continue the video. Click on the middle radio button of the shell which you want to enable for your cPanel account. Here we have selected jailed SSH access as an example. Once you have made your selection, WHM will automatically save the changes. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We've seen how to enable SSH or jailed shell for an existing cPanel account. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please click on the thumb button. Please click on the subscribe button if you want to view such easy to understand technical videos published by AccuWebHosting.com. Thank you for watching.